Hey everybody, Chris at Ujoint. Awesome van got here. It's a 7.3 diesel. I forget the year, I think it's a 2000, I believe. Came to us from New Jersey. Super nice. He had just had the paint refreshed before it came down. So we got to work immediately and installed our 6-inch lift on 35s. Since it's a diesel, it's got regular springs on it. Sorry for all the water, I just took it through the car wash. 6-inch lift, stage 2 front axle, 410 gears I believe, with Detroit True Trac, crossover steering. Got the SSBC rotors and calipers, 8 piston calipers. Up front we've got our FB001 front bumper, the Warn VR12S, 30-inch rigid combo light bar. Excuse me. BFG 35-inch all-terrains on some black Rhino wheels. Really dig these wheels. I was a little skeptical at first, but I'm super stoked about them. I really like them. Fox 2.0, all of our standard four-wheel drive stuff. Aluminess nerf bars. Transmission got a full rebuild / upgrade. Torque converter, all that good stuff. Converted to four-wheel drive. 271 behind that. We shortened the stock fuel tank. This van did get completely undercoated. There's our OBA tank. Here's a view of the T-case, front axle, front drive shaft. 1350 CV shafts, front and rear. While I'm looking at the bottom, it's got our rear skid with a Deca 8A4D battery. Full diamond eye 4-inch exhaust. Rear end we re-geared, did a full rebuild with a zip locker, air locker. Out back we've got the Aluminess bumper. There's the rear OBA line. It's got deluxe box with the fold down shelf. Roof rack. Aluminess ladder. Has our roof rack with flooring in the back, 200 watts of solar in the front, 6-inch rigid diffused lights on each side and the back, and there you can see the ARB awning. It's got the hard case awning. All the controls, sorry for the shadow, it's early in the morning. All the lights, locker, compressor are all run by the sPOD, which we buried in the door. Has air horns too and a DP tuner. Gauges, so you can monitor EGT, trans temp, and boost. Sure, I'm forgetting something. Super cool vans, leaving in less than an hour. UjointOffroad.com. Thanks for the support. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, all that good stuff. I'll post a full spec sheet and more pics on the website this week. Thanks for watching.